the forge welding and the shaping, and another 2.5, 3 hours of filing. And it was a rasp, it was a farrier rasp.
Yes, sir.
Start cleaning it up now.
Thank y'all.
Who do you guys win? Oh, okay. Well, I hope you do well.
One of my best friends is
Now comes the hardening process. Getting ready to harden it.
What part are you hardening? The whole thing or just the front?
That's the first man.
The blade?
How much for the rings?
The nickel and the copper are 25. The stainless is 20.
What about the quarter?
It ain't right. I'm gonna keep it.
Okay. This one's made out of stacked quarters. That's the next to the copper. Yeah, this one's a stacked nickel. I've actually got a couple of them. I've got a few of them in my tent there that have a clear fingernail polish coating on them. They're more, they're luster a little bit more. This is just like a beeswax coating. So whichever one you want. The one with the fingernail polish is $10 a piece. These, I can tell these ones.
How'd your trip with your mother go? Did you go meet your mom last year, year before? That when you?
Oh, it was me, but I never got to.
You never got to go.
But the mom that raised me just passed away.
Oh, that's not good. I'm sorry to hear that.
It's fine. She had cancer and heart problems.
I don't forget much is the reason I ask. I seen you and recognized your face.
And Now we got a little boy.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, wow. I didn't know.
I guess that was
wasn't
2
thinking
years
about that,
ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was 2 years ago. I ended up giving one of the leaves to him for Valentine's Day. And I had one
I remember that y'all had the conversation with him mainly.
It can be. We had classroom of kids yesterday. That runs wild, but we actually had to make them stop ringing the bell. They rung that bell so much our ears was ringing.
Is that from an old acetylene tank?
Oxygen tank, fire extinguisher tank, either one. That one there was actually a commercial oxygen tank. Cut the bottom off.
He's a cutie pie.
He's about to be a year.
Oh, really?
He'll be 11 months on the 11th.
Stretching and thinning the metal out to make a stem.
How much you asking for the tomahawk?
120. One of the reenactors over there he's already bought it. I made this last night, and got about 2.5 hours in the forge welding and the shaping, and about 2.5, 3 hours in the filing. And he wants it dull He doesn't want it sharp. He wants it dull for reenactment purposes. Cleaning it up right now so I can see the colors run when I do the final.
You heat it.
Yeah, when I do the tempering. Take much temper either.
It did or didn't?
Huh?
You see it did or didn't?
I didn't hear you.
It did temper or didn't?
No, it's not going to take much to temper.
What was that you just put on?
Beeswax.
Wax?
Just a real
Beeswax?
dark beeswax. I branched it with a brass bristle brush at about 500 degrees. That turned the gold look on it. Then put a little bit of beeswax, makes it have a protected coating as an
How much
antique.
would that be?
Keeps it from tarnishing.
Yep.
You want a brass one?
$5.
There you go.
Thank you.
You don't have a brass one.